Special thanks to this company for sending us their metal cage 3 light wall fixture. We're of course just gonna unbox this to show you what comes inside of this box. Little close-up detail. Same picture here, nothing anywhere else on the box. So let's open it up. All right, let's finally get down in here. Oh, it's all taped together. There we go, that's it for the box. We do have a little instruction booklet that tells you all about it and tells you exactly the specs and everything and what you would need to put this together. So let's cut this tape, cut this tape, and we should be able, yeah, so we've got, so everything's in this. So down in here is your plate, all of your screws and wire nuts and everything you should need to hook this up is right under this. You take these screws out to get your plate and you can get to all of that. This is of course what it would actually look like. It would take 3 standard bulbs and there is no glass anywhere around this item at all. So that will essentially do it for this metal cage 3 light fixture. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me to unbox and show you, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.